We're going to be expanding these double brackets, and we have two brackets here. So we have this one here, and we have this one over here. And between them, there is kind of, if you like, an invisible multiplication operation between the two brackets. So how do we solve these? Well, we're going to go about that now. Now, there are two methods that you can use. The first method is this one here, where we can use this little mnemonic here, which says firsts, outers, inners, lasts. And if we take the first letter from each of those words, we get the word foil. And if you remember foil, hopefully you'll remember firsts, outers, lasts, and inners, and then lasts. And this is how you use this memory device to solve these problems. So it goes like this. The firsts refers to the first term in each of the brackets, and that would mean in this case x times x, which is x squared. Next we do the outers, and so the outers refers to the terms that are on the outside of the brackets, closest to the outside of the outermost brackets. So you can see in this case it's x multiplied, remember this imaginary multiply, x multiplied by positive 5, which is positive 5x. And then we go to the inners, and what that means is the two terms that are closest together but separated by the brackets. So in this case it's positive 2 and x. So positive 2 times x is positive 2x. And lastly, we look at the lasts. And in this case, lasts refers to the last term in each separate bracket. So in this case, it's positive 2 times positive 5, and that is positive 10. After that, all you need to do is to simplify. So we have x squared, that's the only exponent that there is. Then we have positive 5 plus 2, which gives us positive 7x. And here we have positive 10. And that is the fully simplified solution. There is another way to do these, and you can use this grid method if you like. So it's a multiplication grid. And what you do for that is x plus 2. So you take each term separately and put them in their own little box or their own column in this case. So it's going to be x and positive 2. And now we fill in these rows. So it'll be x here, so this x, and then positive 5. Okay, and then we just do a multiplication using the multiplication grid method. So it's x times x, which is x squared, 2 times x, which is 2x, x times 5, which is 5x, and then 2 times 5, which is 10. And you can see that these terms in blue are exactly the same as we had here. And then again, we could write them out. So it'd be like this: x squared plus 2x plus 5x plus 10. And then we would simplify just the way we did before, plus 7x plus 10. And that would give us the final solution. And these two methods are very, very simple to follow.